So I'm going to put it in the sport suspension to start out with, and then we're going to put it into the Sport Plus drive mode because I want to hear that exhaust. But while we're going through this construction traffic, I'm going to go ahead and test out the sound system.
Got an ice cold beer in my hand, pushing up from Thailand. Two-stroke motor, do the dash. It's the old with a little bit of gas. Leg live on the pontoon. I'm just living leg live on the pontoon. Leg live on the pontoon. I'm just living leg live on the pontoon.
So really powerful overall sound. And a lot of that has to do with being in a coupe and having such a great sound system, because really the sound can't go anywhere except through your ears. So the back of the seat was actually vibrating. It was kind of relaxing, but also just a really clear yet hard-hitting bass sound. And then the high end is just really crisp and just very impressed. But for $2,300, I should be impressed, so that's good. And just cruising here, it's such a great rumble coming out of this exhaust in the Sport Plus mode. It's getting a little hot in here. We're gonna turn the AC up. And really the ride quality going through this construction area is not bad. Of course, it's bouncy, it's rocky, it's a sports car. It's not a Mercedes, but I'm still really impressed that it's not extremely uncomfortable. And very easy to come back on. And another good thing about this car is you're getting 18 miles per gallon city, 24 highway with a twin turbo V8. Not bad at all. And pretty fast. And the shifts are, of course, very quick. But we are about to open her up. Here we go. Woo! Just super, super fun. And just a great sound from this car. Yeah, that's very impressive. Just a really fun car, and these really are, for what you get, I think you're paying, this one's like $143 or $150, something like that. It's sticker for $185, something like that. I'll show you the sticker at the end, but really, really impressive for the price point. I mean, you have a luxurious vehicle, probably, you know, at the top of the charts in terms of luxury features, and just how everything is high quality, of course, being handmade. But that power just really impressed, very impressed. I expected this to be fast. I didn't expect to be wowed, and I really am. But that exhaust note is just so great. And this really is pretty fun to drive all around, even in this heavy traffic I'm about to be involved in. Just every time I give it a little bit of throttle and I hear that exhaust note, it just puts a slight smile on my face. So like I said, the ride isn't necessarily like a Mercedes or BMW, but it does, for what you're getting, that's going to be the least of your concerns. And it still isn't bad. I think I've driven I think it was a BMW M2. That rode extremely rough compared to this. So it's definitely not the smoothest riding car, but it's tolerable, definitely. So I think this is going to bring me to the end of my test drive portion. And finally, I'm just going to go over the price of this vehicle, the window sticker, and my final thoughts.